Hi, welcome to today's video. We're looking at faves and fails. Going into summer of 2026, I'm going to show you some things that I love and some things that I don't love so much. So we're going to start with foundation. As many of you probably already know, I love the Lauder Baked Balance-n-Brighten foundation. This foundation is perfect for mature skin. It has a lot of different pigments, so that it doesn't sit in fine lines, and it just has a perfect finish. It doesn't look like you have too much makeup on. This particular shade is medium, and again, it doesn't get on your clothing, it doesn't sit in fine lines, it doesn't cake up. Lauder also has another foundation, and that one is going to be, well, this was my favorite, okay, that's the fave, and the fail is going to have to be the Lauder Double Take Powder Foundation. This is also a powder foundation. That is what the medium looks like. And what I don't care for about it is it just doesn't sit real well on my skin. It looks like I have foundation on. I don't want to look like I have foundation on. I want to look natural. So this is going to be my fail. The next thing I want to talk about is your brows, your eyebrows. My very favorite eyebrow pencil is the Multitasker by Estée Lauder. This eyebrow pencil is so easy to use. You have the spoolie on one end, you have on the other end the actual pencil, and it's tapered, so it's easier to get around your brows. And what I love about this, look how thick this is. See if you can see that. Look how thick that pencil is. Now, I'm gonna actually, this is my fave, obviously, and then I'm gonna actually show you two different brow pencils that are fails. This is my fave, and then of course you've got, if you twist in the middle, you have powder that's on a little sponge, and you can use that to fill in. I love this pencil. That's Estée Lauder Brow Multitasker. The ones that I don't care for, this is the Ulta Beauty Sculpting Brow. You do have a spoolie on one end, and then on the other end you do have the pencil that's not bad. It also is tapered like the Estée Lauder pencil, and it's thick like the Estée Lauder pencil. But you know what the problem is with this one? This is a brown shade. Estée Lauder uses gray in their brown color instead of red. A lot of other companies use red. So when you put on this particular brow pencil from Ulta, my brows look red. It shows like a red tint around it. So this does not work for those of us with brown brows. So this is a fail. The other fail that I have, now I gotta tell you, there are a lot of things that I love about Benefit. There are a lot of products that I love that are in the Benefit line, but this is not one of them. The name of this one, let me just make sure I get it right. This is the Precisely My Brow Pencil. What I don't, it's cute, right? Cute packaging. What I don't care for with this one is I want you to see this pencil. Look how thin that is. Do you know how quickly you get through a pencil like this? Very quickly. You get through these very quickly because there's not a lot of product on there. So this, as cute as it is a nice brown. I have to say the brown is a nice shade of brown, but it is not enough product, so I go through it too quickly. I want my products to last. The Estée Lauder Brow Multitasker lasts quite a while. My next favorite product, especially for summer, is a contour stick. My favorite contour stick is the Sculpting Touch by Kiko Milano. This is a nice, thick contour stick, very easy to use, retractable. I love this. The product for the fail is, it's gonna have to be Milk. So this is the cutest little thing. It's so cute and little. This is the Milk Sculpt Stick, and it's really good for travel, but it doesn't compare. It's not as pigmented as a sculpting stick, and it doesn't last as long either. So this is my fail. My last favorite product I'm going to share with you today is my toothpaste. So this is whitening toothpaste. It's by Hello, and it's the Antiplaque and Whitening Toothpaste. This has xylitol in it, and it's got a lot of other natural ingredients. There's no fluoride in this, but this is what I use, and it really makes a difference in my teeth. So that's my favorite whitening toothpaste. There's one I also like by dōTERRA called On Guard, and I'm out of that one, but that one works really well too. But I love the way that this feels on my teeth. It cleans them and really whitens them. The toothpaste that is not my favorite is the Cinnamon All-One Toothpaste by Dr. Bronner. This one works really well. There's no fluoride in this one either, but I've used a lot of it, but I've had it for a while and I really don't notice a big difference in my teeth being whiter when I use this one. And I do like to see results. So those are just a few products that I love and that I don't quite love so much. A lot of these are really good products. They might work beautifully for you, but as far as for me, I found what I like, and when I find something that I really like, I like to stick with it. I want to thank you for watching this video today. I hope some of this information was helpful for you. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.